Today the topic is sound and waves and we are going to solve part A multiple choice questions. Circle the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following is a property of a wave? A. Mass. B. Wavelength. C. Density. D. Pressure. Yes, the answer is B. Wavelength. Number 2. The distance between two consecutive crests is called A. Frequency, B. Amplitude, C. Wavelength or D. Speed. Yes, absolutely right. It's wavelength. Which type of waves require a medium for propagation? A. Electromagnetic waves, B. Sound waves, C. Light waves and D. Radio waves. Yes, number B. Sound waves are A. Transverse, B. Longitudinal, C. Both, D. Electromagnetic. Yes, number B. Longitudinal. The speed of sound is fastest in. Now the speed of sound is fastest in A. Air, B. Water, C. Steel, D. Vacuum. Yes, number C. Steel. The loudness of sound depends on A. Frequency, B. Amplitude, C. Wavelength or D. Speed. Yes, it's a number B. Amplitude. The pitch of sound depends on amplitude, B. Frequency, C. Wavelength or D. Speed. Hurry up. Yes, it's B. Frequency. The change in direction of sound when it hits a hard surface is called A. Refraction, B. Echo, C. Diffraction, D. Interference. Yes, it's B. Echo is clearly heard if this reflected surface reaches the air after at least A. 0.01 second, B. 0.1 second, C. 0.01 meter second, D. 1 second. Yes, number B, it's 0.1 second. The principle used in sonar is A. Refraction, B. Reflection, C. Absorption, D. Diffraction. Yes, it's number B. Reflection. Now part B, short answer questions. Define wavelength and frequency of a wave. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive crest troughs and frequency is number of waves passing a point per second. Cannot sound travel through a vacuum because there are no particles to vibrate and transfer sound. Sound energy. Give one similarity and one difference between light waves and sound waves. Similarity is both transfer energy, difference is light is transverse and electromagnetic, sound is longitudinal and mechanical. Now explain why sound travels faster in solids than in gases. In solids, particles are closer together, so vibrations transfer faster. What is meant by the amplitude of a sound wave? How does it affect what we hear? Amplitude is equal to the maximum displacement of particles in waves. Greater amplitude it's equal to louder sound. Now here we are solving numerical problem. A sound wave has a frequency of 500 Hz and travel in air at 340 meter per second. Find its wavelength is lambda. It's equal to divided by f, that is 340 divided by 500 Hz, and our answer is 0.68 meter. Now a person claps and hears an echo after 0.6 second. If the speed of sound in air is 340, calculate the distance of the reflecting wall. Distance it's equal to V multiplied by T divided by 2. It's equal to 340 multiplied by 0.6 divided by 2, that is equal to 102 meter. Now the speed of sound in water is about 1500 meter per second. A sonar pulse is sent out and the echo returns after 2 seconds. Calculate the depth of the sea. V multiply by T divided by 2, it's equal to 1500 multiply by 2 whole divided by 2, it's equal to 1500 meter.